Next one up, Ducati Monster 821. This is another one for DBH motorcycles. Not too bad, just needs that trot TLC before it goes in the showroom. We'll see if we can do something with that exhaust. Get these calipers all minted up, get the pinch bolts cleaned up, get some protection on it once it's all washed and dried. These wheels need a bit of cleaning. Like I said, needs a bit of XCP on that shock down there. It's got a bit of furring going on. Oh, nice to see a well lubed chain for a change. Get all that wheel all minted up. Get some XCP on it. Get it in the showroom. Like I said, it's not too bad. Just needs that little trot TLC. Let's get cracking. There you go, 1 hour and 30 minutes. This Ducati 821 Monster has been fully trotted and heading for DBH's showroom. Look at that exhaust. It's come up like new. Nice little bit of trot magic. All the calipers have been minted, all your pinch bolts have been sorted out, wheels have been meticulously cleaned, discs, exhaust, got a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection on it. Chains all been re-lubed. Looking freaking sweet. Looking for a 2019 Monster 821. Give Danny a ring, DBH. I'm sure this one won't be around long. Very low mileage. Ready to go. Okay, first one of the day, one of my favorites, Ducati Supersport 950. This is one Danny at DBH has just taken in and will be up for sale once I've done my bit. Not too bad a shape, just needs that little trot TLC before it goes in the showroom. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets on this. We'll get all those wheels minted, discs, calipers, etc. We'll get some XCP corrosion protection on all this engine, all the subframe, suspension linkages, etc. And then we'll get this chain. Is desperate need of a bit of lube on it. It's not too bad. This is just surface corrosion, so we'll get all that old chain lube and rust cleaned off of there. We'll blow dry it, get some fresh lube on it. We'll get that exhaust polished up, do a single stage machine polish on this bodywork, and get that in the showroom. This is one of my favorites, these 950s. Nice, comfortable, sporty bike. Let's get cracking. Okay, 2 hours in, this Ducati Supersport 950 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This had one of our full Monty valets, XCP corrosion protection all over it, minted up all that collector box down there. All the wheels have been meticulously cleaned, all that old chain lube's been removed, blow dried, re-lubed back up. Just did a single stage machine polish on a few panels, had a few marks on the tail section and on the front. Heading for Danny's showroom, DBH Motorcycles. If you're looking for a mint 950 Supersport, give Danny a ring. This will not be around long. Next one up, another one Danny at DBH has just taken in. Lovely GSXR600. This is going to get a whole heap of trot loving before it hits the showroom. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this, including a few little touching up of some paint work. We'll get these rims all minted up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. We'll get all this subframe all cleaned up. Everything is going to get misted, like I said, with the XCP. Make sure it's got full protection on it for the future client. We'll get that exhaust all polished up, get these discs minted, get these calipers minted, all the usual bits and pieces that is included in a trot full Monty valet. Chain is looking a little dry for itself, so we'll get all this old chain lube off of there. We'll blow dry that, get some fresh lube on it, get that collector box all cleaned up. We'll do a single stage machine polish on all this body work, making sure it's looking sweet before it hits the showroom. Okay, this little GSXR is coming along nicely. We've done the washing stage, degreased, blow dried, just oiling up that chain, but just going to see if we can do something with that spindle nut. Just painting the end can there. Some of the carbon fiber is flaking off. So then we're going to do some XCP corrosion protection, and then we'll crack on with the single stage machine polish on all the bodywork. And this will be heading for the showroom. There you go, 2.5 hours on the dot. This GSXR600 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, XCP corrosion protection. I just did a single stage machine polish on the bodywork just to get rid of a few imperfections. All the discs, calipers, wheels have been meticulously cleaned, header pipes polished. I said it's had the XCP corrosion protection, polished up all the tailpipe here, touched up a few rusty bits and pieces. Heading for Danny's showroom, DBH Motorcycles. Hit him up, won't be around long.